the TribeSigns Desk, coming in at a price tag of $176.99 for the 63-inch variant. If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below. This is the desk that I've been using for the longest. I've bought 4 of these desks in all different sizes, shapes, and colors. So the design, what is it? Well, it's beautifully modern and simple. It's very, very tasteful. One of the things I absolutely love about this is the thick desktop and the thick metal legs. Not only does this make the look of the desk awesome for gaming setups, office setups, pretty much any kind of setup, it really fits everything, but it makes it significantly easier to cable manage and hide those cables for a very clean setup. Not to mention the thickness of the desk allows for RGB strips to be installed super easily, and when they are, they look epic. I've done RGB strips just on the back of the desk, and then RGB strips going on the back of the desk and then up and down those legs, which looks absolutely gamery, dude. All right, but let's talk about the actual build quality here. It is ridiculously solid. I don't know if you can see on camera how much different the size of those huge metal tubes are versus the other desks, but this is the sturdiest desk I have ever gotten online besides standing desks. And because of that, I've actually bought, well, like I said, 4 of them. The metal legs are incredibly thick, and even without a crossbar, it doesn't need it, as this does not wobble, shake, or in any way feel cheap or chintzy. Now, one of the biggest things about this desk is not just the length size, but the depth here. The main point is the depth is great here. 23.6 inches, basically 24 inches, plenty of space for big monitor stands, as well as your XL gaming pads. Now, one last thing is this does have screw adjustable legs, like most desks, honestly, but these are quite wide, which is nice for that stability, so you can adjust it with your floor. Now, the desktop does have that wood kind of texture, which is nice. I think it looks nice and it's not intrusive and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look fake. Now, the size and color options are immense here. Firstly, for the size, you can get this in 47 inches, 55 inches, and 63 inches. For the color options, you have black, white on black, and that is with black legs, a brown wood top, a walnut top on black legs or white legs, white on white, which is one of my personal favorites, looking so spaceshipy, and then white on gold legs for all of the glam girls out there. Men can get it too, but I mean, I just feel like that's like very like Target, and I mean Target like the store. Like that should be in Target, that's what it looks like. All right, ease of build, this is by far the easiest to build. The metal frame comes pre-attached to that desktop, which means literally you get it out, you put those legs in, screw them in, screw the crossbar to the legs in, and you're done. That's it. That's literally it. Now, one of the benefits here is that because you don't have to take a lot apart, if you move a lot, which I've actually moved 3 different times with these desks, taking them apart, re-put them together, taking them apart, and re-put them together. And I think one more time with a few of them just because I stored them and then took them out of storage. They don't break. They don't have any issues. The durability here is ridiculously good. That desktop is nice and thick, and those metal legs, well, what's gonna happen to them? Overall, this is not only the best quality desk you can buy online, but it looks amazing, it feels amazing, and it has tons of color and size options, and because of the durability, this will last you a lifetime. Again, if you wanna check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you wanna check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here, but this is a consumer tech review high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.